You guys did a great job reading those phrases. Do you want to take those scoopers and the sheets home tonight so you can practice?
Sure.
I think that would be a good idea. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're getting close to reading our exciting book. I want you to look up the KWL chart. You guys told me all about kickball. Okay, make sure you're looking up here, Em. All about kickball. We talked about feelings. We talked about how we knew how somebody would feel if they were left out. You said sad and mad, and that sad what might mean you'd be a little depressed. And we didn't know some things. Remember what we didn't know, what we want to know about? If you need a uniform to play kickball, how it was invented, if they have any mitts or any other things. And we talked about whether or not you can judge how a person is, what a person's good at, what their abilities are by how they look, by just looking at them.
That's what you wrote at the bottom.
That's right. And then we predicted some vocabulary. Remember when we talked about, girls, remember when we talked about what words you might use if you were the author? And we have ball, kickball, champ, kids, fun, sad, and fret. Now when we read the book, I want you to listen for those words, because then we'll know whether we were right or not. And here's something else I want you to think about, okay? I wrote this down. Okay, are you paying attention? Eyes on me so I know if you're paying attention. While we're reading, I want you to think about the feelings of the children in the book. Pretend that, like if you were one of these children, how you would feel. And how does Mr. Sanchez feel, especially in the beginning of the story? And what do we learn about Mr. Sanchez and the boy in the book? His name is Roberto. And do the characters of Mr. Sanchez and Roberto, do they change at all from the beginning to the end of the book? Just think about that while we're reading. Okay.